You may start, Manisha.
Okay, Di. शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राण परायणी सर्वस्वार्थी हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते. A very warm good evening to one and all. I welcome all of you on this fourth day of the 5 days online workshop on e-resources OER organized by Department of Political Science under the aegis of IQAC Cell, Vasanta College for Women, Rajghat, Varanasi. Today we have with us Dr. Punita Pathak, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Vasanta College for Women, Rajghat, Varanasi, and she is going to discuss two very important topic, which are very essential component of our e-resources and OER. In the first session 6, she will discuss with you about Sodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, and the next 7th session will be on introduction to Swayam. So these two topics are very important for all of you. So all of you be attentively attend it, and parallelly you try to step by step you note down those important steps so that you can be trained after the end of this session. You all must be aware of using these two important resources through the hands-on session. So I, on behalf of the Department of Political Science, I welcome Punita Di for her session on the Sodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri.
Thank you, Manisha. Am I audible? Am I audible, Manisha?
Yes.
A very good evening to all of you. Today, as Manisha ma'am said, that I'm going to discuss this Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri and Swayam. So here, my discussion will be divided into two sections, both the, topics, that is Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri and Swayam. And the first section is about the theoretical portion, in which I will discuss the what is Shodh Ganga, what is Shodh Gangotri, when it was like started, how it was, how we can do search there in the Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. And the second section is the practical application of Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, in which I will demonstrate you all that how you can explore and search the thesis, synopsis, dissertation there. So and before going to start this topic, I would like to mention here that as a researcher, often we find struggling ourselves with the fewer resources in our hands that cannot help you to streamline the process of completing this completing the thesis, or dissertation, whether it is like related to select the topic, or to writing a review of literature, or like writing about the content or the introduction. We often find a gap with the research, which is possible when you have some access to the work of others. And along with that, to avoid the duplication, like you will be able to know that what kind of trend is going on in the present scenario regarding the research, what kind of topic you people can choose. So for both the purposes, here we can see that in 2009, to the UGC notification of 2009, the UGC mandates this thing that every researcher have to submit the e-copy, soft copy of their thesis, and it was being mandatory to all the Indian university, whether it is about the public university, governmental universities, or the private universities. Now I'm going to discuss about the theoretical portion of the Sodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. Just a minute. Is it visible? My screen is...
Yes, Di, it's visible.
Okay, fine. So here the Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, and here first of all I will discuss the Shodh Ganga. And the Shodh Ganga, the term, it will coined to denote the digital repository of Indian Electronic Thesis and Dissertation, that is the ETD, which was basically set up by the InflibNet Center, that is the Information Library Network. Here, this Shodh Ganga, which provides a platform for the research scholars to submit their PhD thesis and make it available to the entire academic community in an open access. जो शोध गंगा है वो एक ओपन एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करता है, जिसमें जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर जब अपने थीसिस को वहां जमा करते हैं तो वो कोई भी उसको जो भी उस टॉपिक को या उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को सर्च करना चाहता है तो वो उसको ओपन एक्सेस उनके लिए होता है. Along with that, we can see that this depository has the ability to capture, index, store, disseminate and preserve ETD, that is electronic thesis and dissertation, which is submitted by the researchers. ये एक repository की तरह, एक reservoir की तरह है जो कि पूरा मतलब एक सिस्टमेटिक वे में जो डिसर्टेशन होता है, जो भी थीसिस होती है, डिसर्टेशन होता है, उसको वो वहां पर हम रख सकते हैं. Now we will discuss that how the term Shodh Ganga, what does it mean, especially in this context of thesis, dissertation and all. So here we can see that Shodh Ganga originates from the Sanskrit word and it basically stands for the research or and discovery. शोध का मतलब होता है जो हिंदी का ही एक टर्म है जिसमें आपका, जिसको हम इंग्लिश में रिसर्च या डिस्कवरी कहते हैं, और जो गंगा है जो कि हमारे इंडिया में इट्स द होलीएस्ट, लार्जेस्ट एंड लॉन्गेस्ट ऑफ ऑल रिवर्स हियर इन इंडिया. सो इसका दोनों को मिलकर आपका बना है शोध गंगा. सो यहाँ पर जो शोध गंगा बेसिकली जो है वो इट स्टैंड्स फॉर द रिजर्वॉयर ऑफ इंडियन इंटेलेक्चुअल आउटपुट स्टोर्ड इन अ repository hosted and maintained by the InflibNet Center. Here we can see that it is a rich and unique source of information that is in form of thesis and dissertation. यहाँ पर एक पूरा मतलब पूरा का पूरा जब हम लोग डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का पार्ट करेंगे, जब इसका प्रैक्टिकल सेशन करेंगे, देन आई विल शो यू ऑल कि किस तरीके से हम जो भी टॉपिक चाहते हैं, टॉपिक वाइज है या फिर कुछ कीवर्ड डालकर या फिर उसमें डिपार्टमेंट वाइज, इवन जो लैंग्वेज वाइज कि अगर हम हिंदी के कुछ डिसर्टेशन या थीसिस वहाँ सर्च करना चाहते हैं तो वो वहाँ पर हमको मिल सकता है. एंड हियर वी कैन सी दैट remain an untapped and underutilized asset leading to unnecessary duplication and repetition. The most important aspect of this शोध गंगा is what कि जो भी चीजें जो आपकी होता है ना कि कई बार पहले क्या था कि जब चीजें जो आपकी जब ऑनलाइन नहीं थी या फिर जो आपके सॉफ्ट कॉपी अवेलेबल नहीं थी तो वहां पर क्या होता था कि जो भी उस जो डुप्लीकेशन था, जो कि yesterday one of our student asked about plagiarism और प्रीति दी ने उस बारे में बताया भी हम लोगों को, तो क्या होता था कि कोई भी तरह का रिकॉर्ड नहीं रहता था. लेकिन जब ये सारी चीजें ऑनलाइन हो गई तो क्या हुआ कि जो अननेसेसरी डुप्लीकेशन है या रिपीटेशन है या जो प्लेगरिज्म है कि ओवरऑल थीसिस को लेकर बस टॉपिक या कुछ चीजें चेंज करके उसको कर दिया, तो उन सारी चीजों से भी बचा जा सकता था. Why it is important this Shodh Ganga? So here we can see that thesis and dissertations are known to be the rich and unique source of information, as I mentioned in the previous slide too, and it is the only source of research work, but many times doesn't find its way into various publication channels. उसको हम explore नहीं कर पाते, उसको हम देख नहीं पाते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो आपका जो ये शोध गंगा पर जो आपके उसके सॉफ्ट कॉपी अवेलेबल है तो वो उसको बहुत ज्यादा जो है वो हमको हेल्प कर सकती है. Along with that, we can see it is an important Indian initiative and facilitates open access to Indian thesis and dissertations to the world academic community. इसको कहीं से भी थ्रू इंटरनेट इसको कहीं से भी एक्सप्लोर किया जा सकता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ इंडिया में ही, इसको ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कहीं से भी एक्सप्लोर किया जा सकता है. दूसरी चीज क्या है कि ये पूरी तरीके से इंडियन इनिशिएटिव है, पूरी तरीके से ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का इनिशिएटिव है. Now we can see that it ensures easy access and archiving of Indian doctoral theses. इसके पहले इस तरह का, और स्पेशली जो ये आपका हुआ वो 2016 ऑनवर्ड्स जितने भी इस तरह का जो जो थीसिस और बाकी चीजें थी उसको सॉफ्ट कॉपी के तौर पर देने की चीज आई. और इस वजह से it raises the standard and quality of research. That is the main motive behind the formation of this Shodh Ganga. One of the important motives, that is what, to raise the standard and quality of research. इसके थ्रू क्या हुआ कि जब सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं, तो जैसा कि इसमें प्रीवियसली आई हैव मेंशन कि जो डुप्लीकेशन है या इस तरह की चीजें थी वो अवॉइड हुई, साथ में जो किस तरह का ट्रेंड चल रहा है, किस तरीके की हम टॉपिक को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू डू रिसर्च ऑन लाइक पंचायती राज, especially in the context of some particular block of Varanasi district, and if you find that same topic has already been done by some other scholars, research scholar, so that time people will not, it will try to of some other like block. ठीक है ना, कि मतलब पर्टिकुलर सेम वर्क को आप फिर से आप रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. अगर रिपीट करते हैं तो बहुत ज्यादा वो क्वालिटेटिव नहीं होगा. तो ऑब्वियसली बात है कि इट हैज रेज्ड द स्टैंडर्ड एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ research. Apart from that, it was also mentioned that it overcome the duplication of research and poor quality, which resulting from the poor visibility and the unseen factor in research output. Now we can, as I mentioned, that it was basically UGC notified this, thing through the a notification of 5th May 2016, which mandates submission of electronic version of thesis and dissertation by the researchers in university. And according to this regulation, the responsibility of hosting, maintaining, and making the digital repository of Indian electronic thesis and dissertation accessible to all institutions and universities is assigned to the InflibNet Center. जो InflibNet Center है, उसका सारा जो रख रखाव का सारा उसका जो उसके मेंटेन करने की जिम्मेदारी जो उसका डिजिटल रिपोजिटरी का है, उसका सारा जो जिम्मेदारी है वो InflibNet Center का है. What is this InflibNet? InflibNet is what? It maintains the Shodh Ganga. There are so many things which is being maintained by this InflibNet, and one of the important part is about the Shodh Ganga, which is also being maintained by this Net Center. And this InflibNet Center is what? It is an autonomous inter-university center of the UGC. It was initially located in Gujarat, that was in Ahmedabad, but in 2013 it was shifted in Gandhinagar. Its office was shifted in Gandhinagar. Fine. Now this Shodh Ganga InflibNet is a setup using an open source digital repository software called DSpace. DSpace जो सॉफ्टवेयर है, ये इसमें जो है वो डेवलप किया गया है, इसको यूज किया जाता है. मतलब जो शोध गंगा जो है उसमें DSpace जो सॉफ्टवेयर है उसके थ्रू इसको ये किया जाता है, रिजर्वॉयर के में इसको यूज किया जाता है, जो कि बेसिकली डेवलप किया गया था मैसेच्यूसेट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मैसेच्यूसेट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी विद द पार्टनरशिप बिटवीन द हेलेट पैकवर्ड. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट कि ये जो InflibNet सेंटर है वो किस तरीके से यूनिवर्सिटीज को जोड़ता है in this शोध गंगा. So here we can see that those universities that have signed the memorandum of understanding, that is called MOU, with InflibNet Center, and which are required to identify a senior academic to serve as a link between the university, that particular university and that InflibNet Center. That has been termed as the university coordinator. जो भी हायर पोस्ट पे जो भी एकेडमिक जो व्यक्ति होते हैं, शैक्षणिक व्यक्ति होते हैं, उनको अपॉइंट किया जाता है, जो कि उस यूनिवर्सिटी जब MOU साइन हो जाता है तो वो यूनिवर्सिटी और InflibNet सेंटर के बीच में यूनिवर्सिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर के तौर पर वो कार्य करते हैं. And what is his responsibility? Responsibility of the coordinator is include timely submission of soft copies of PhD thesis submitted to the university to शोध गंगा. जो भी यूनिवर्सिटी से शोध गंगा में जो भी आपके थीसिस जाएंगी उसके सॉफ्ट कॉपी को टाइमली जो है वो सबमिट करें, और साथ में जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, दैट इज व्हाट, टू वेरीफाई द correctness and completeness of these soft copies. That is the most important part of that. And when I will demonstrate to you all in the in the practical session, then I will mention you all that how it will be, how it works. This जो उसको अपलोड करते हैं उसका क्या तरीका है. तो ये जो चीज है वो उसमें आती है कि करेक्टनेस और कंप्लीटनेस को चेक करना, और who will check this thing? That will be checked by the university coordinator, which works as a link between that particular university and InflibNet. दूसरा जो हमारा पोर्शन है that is about the शोध गंगोत्री. शोध गंगोत्री जो कि शोध is quite clear to you all that originate from Sanskrit, and obviously it stands for research and discovery. What about this Gangotri? And this is the one of the largest glacier. I mean, particularly this Gangotri is one of the largest glacier in the Himalayas and source of the origination of Ganges. Fine. So here we talked about the thesis. That is the kind of Ganges, but what is its origin? That is about the synopsis. So this Sodh Gangotri is basically about the synopsis. So another repository of this, I mean, in this regard, that is the repository of the synopsis and research proposals of the PhD program in the Indian universities. And same here, the Sodh Gangotri is also being maintained by the InflibNet Center. InflibNet Center है, जैसे वो शोध गंगा को, as I mentioned in the beginning, की apart from the शोध गंगा बहुत सारे जो programs है उनको maintain करने का काम InflibNet करता है, तो उसमें शोध गंगोत्री भी जो है वो भी InflibNet Center ही उसको maintain करता है. And what about this? I mean, under this Sodh Gangotri, research scholars or the supervisors in universities are requested to deposit e-version of approved synopsis submitted by the research scholars to the universities for registering themselves for the PhD programs. जब भी वो PhD program के लिए कोई भी इंटरव्यू या कुछ भी इस तरह का होता है, तो जो भी उनका approved synopsis है उसको जो है वो वहां पर अपलोड करेंगे, शोध गंगोत्री में अपलोड करेंगे. एंड अर्लियर इट वाज जस्ट, आई मीन द शोध गंगोत्री वाज जस्ट रिलेटेड टू दिस, आई मीन this synopsis, but right now it was being expanded to MRPs and PDFs and emeritus fellowship. What is this MRPs? That is the major research project and postdoctoral fellowship and emeritus fellowship. जो भी आपके senior professor या उस तरह के जो भी उनकी fellowship होती है, तो it was also maintained through this Shodh Gangotri. And here we can see that the repository on the one hand would reveal the trends and directions as I have discussed in the context of Shodh Ganga. That is basically, I mean, apart from like duplication and all, it also, I mean, unveil the trends and directions of research. So same thing is here in the context of Shodh Gangotri, that is revealing the trends and directions of research, what is being going on in the Indian universities. And on the other hand, it also avoid duplication of research. So I mean, here this thing is quite clear to you all कि जो शोध गंगोत्री है, क्योंकि गंगोत्री जो है वो आपके ओरिजिन का है, तो वो आपके सिनॉप्सिस से रिलेटेड है, और शोध गंगा जो कि फुल फॉर्म है आपका, आई मीन ओरिजिन से आने के बाद, तो दैट इज फॉर दी थीसिस, वो आपके थीसिस के लिए आता है. ठीक है. और दूसरी चीज क्या है कि जब वो सिनॉप्सिस आप वहां पर सबमिट हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद जो एक लिंक है जो कि शोध गंगा पर जो आपका पूरा ये जब थीसिस, जब फाइनल थीसिस अपलोड होगी, तो उसके लिए जो लिंक है वो भी प्रिपेयर करके दिया जाएगा. Now the second portion in this, that is the Shodh Shuddhi. That is the Shodh Shuddhi because I have mentioned this portion because this is also very much important in the context of research and PhD. PhD और research के context में जो Shodh Shuddhi है वो आपका important है because it is directly associated, I mean, in the context of this plagiarism. Is there any background of the कुछ background disturbance है क्या दे?
एक वॉइस आ रही है, लेट मी चेक इट. ahead, I'll check it.
Okay, just a minute. The fan actually. Now it is okay?
It's fine now.
Okay, fine. Okay. So yeah. So ये आपका जो, हाँ, so that was about the plagiarism. So here in the context of Shodh Shuddhi, there is Urukund, which is used under Shodh Shuddhi. And Urukund is what? That was a kind of software, fine, automated software which is against the plagiarism, and that may also termed as anti-plagiarism software. And it is being successfully used at universities and colleges all around the world. And Urukund system checks all documents against 3 central source areas. जो Urukund है वो किस तरीके की चीजों को I mean चेक करता है, किस तरीके की चीजों का I mean जांच करता है, तो वहां पर देखिए कि इंटरनेट पर जो भी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं उनको हम Urukund के थ्रू, सपोज कोई भी अगर हमने चैप्टर या थीसिस या पेपर दिया, तो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट जो है वो आपका मतलब बिल्कुल हमने सेम टू सेम उसको कोट किया है विदाउट गिविंग एनी रेफरेंस, विदाउट गिविंग एनी साइटेशन, तो उस चीज को जो है वो Urukund जब हम सॉफ्टवेयर में उस चीज को चेक करते हैं तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है वो उस चीज को अनवेल कर देता है कि हाँ वो विदाउट गिविंग प्रॉपर रेफरेंस एंड ऑल वो सीधे सीधे जो है, तो दैट इज द मैटर ऑफ plagiarism. Along with that, the published materials such as journals and books and the previously submitted student material like memoranda, case studies and examination works all comes under the purview of this Shodhi that was being basically to this Urkund सॉफ्टवेयर. जो उर्कुंड सॉफ्टवेयर है वो प्लेगरिज्म को मतलब जो एंटी प्लेगरिज्म सॉफ्टवेयर है, ठीक है ना, कि जो भी चीजें जो आपकी मतलब प्लेगरिज्म का है कि नहीं, मतलब जो साहित्यिक चोरी से रिलेटेड है कि नहीं, तो उसको जो चेक करने का काम है, जांच करने का काम है, वो उर्कुंड एंटी प्लेगरिज्म सॉफ्टवेयर जो है वो करता है. Now we can see around, I mean, how many universities are being associated with this Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri and all. So here we can see around 608 universities who have signed this memorandum of understanding with this influence regarding this Shodh Ganga. Fine. And among them, around 500 have already contributed. It means 108 are in under process, and around 500 universities have been started contributing their, in form of their thesis and dissertation in Shodh Ganga. And here, in the context of Shodh Gangotri, there are 8,300 synopses submitted by the different universities in Shodh Gangotri. And here we can see around 3,23,332 full text theses are available in Shodh Ganga. This is a very, large number of theses are available in Shodh Ganga. And here the most interesting and important part is what, that we can get the thesis, like it is not only available in Hindi or English, mainly in English. Apart from English, it is available in Hindi, regional language, as well as it is also available in the foreign language. ठीक है ना, तो वो हर तरीके के थीसिस को, like yesterday I was exploring this शोध गंगा, तो मैंने एक जो थीसिस मिला मुझे वो या तो उर्दू या अरबिक, मतलब कुछ इस तरह का होता है ना, तो वहाँ पर हर तरीके के मतलब हर भाषा के जो थीसिस है, जो डिसर्टेशन है, उसको वो एक्सेप्ट जो है वो करता है. Along with that, we can see that Shodh Ganga replicates academic structure of each university in terms of departments, centers, colleges to facilitate the ease of navigation. You can easily access through this Shodh Ganga. That's why we can see the different, tabs are there like departments, centers, colleges, जिसके थ्रू हम easily उसको हम access कर सके. ठीक है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत उसको complicated है या सिर्फ एक ही दो आपके tab से, बहुत सारे options दिए गए हैं जिसके थ्रू आप उसको easily जो है वो आप उसको access कर सकते हैं. And here we can see that this structure facilitate research scholars from universities to deposit their thesis in the respective department, center or college. And I will also mention that how they can upload their thesis there. And here the option for simple search, and in the context of search, there are two options: simple search and advanced search. And one more option is also there, that is the Google search, which are available on the home page along with the browsing facility to the universities and departments. Like in the advanced search, when I will show you all that how you people can do the advanced search, that time we can see that there are several options are there to refine your search. आप अपने search को कई तरीके से filter कर सकते हैं. आप उसको बहुत ज़्यादा particular, आपको कोई अगर एक विषय पर ही आपको matter देखना है, एक विषय पर ही आपको thesis देखना है, तो उसको बहुत तरीके से जो है आप उसको आप refine कर सकते हैं. As Manisha मैम yesterday shown कि किस तरीके से जब वो जितना refine होगा उतना जो results होंगे वो आपके कम भी होंगे, और वो particular जो topic आपको चाहिए उससे वो close होते जाएंगे. And now the most important part, and the most, which is very much important to know you all, that is what, for the purpose to, if you want to browse, if you want to search, or if you want to like view or to download any thesis, there is no, requirement of registration. वहाँ पर आपको registration करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. But if you want, as a researcher, if you have completed your thesis and then you want to upload your thesis, that time you have to make your account there in the Shodh Ganga. And it is not a kind of like simple way that anybody can register themselves or anybody can make their account on the Shodh Ganga. it will be through the university coordinator. That is होता है ना कि उसका जो बहुत सारा टेक्निकल ये है जिसके थ्रू ही मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी को जो पूरा नॉलेज रहेगा वहां पर पूरा आपका जब फाइनल सबमिशन हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, अप्रूव हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट यूनिवर्सिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर व्हिच वर्क्स एज ए लिंक बिटवीन द इन्फ्लुएंस सेंटर एंड द यूनिवर्सिटी, आई मीन जो एमओयू साइन होता है उसके बाद, तो वो उनके हेल्प से ही जो है वो आप अपना अकाउंट बना सकते हैं. And most important part is here that to upload this thesis, the proper formatting is very important. It is very, I mean, essential. ठीक है ना? Without proper formatting, nobody can upload their thesis. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे options आएंगे और जब जिस option में जिस तरह के जितने उसका requirement होगा, जब आप उस चीज को upload करेंगे, I mean, जब आप उस चीज को देंगे तभी वो upload होगा. Otherwise वो upload नहीं होगा. So that is all about the, I mean, this critical part of this Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. I think it is clear to you all. Do you have any question or query?
I think Punita, you may start the second part, hands-on
Yes.
session, and then if they'll have in doubt, so they'll ask.
Okay.
Writing that it is clear.
Is it visible? Okay.
Yes, Di.
Yes.
It's visible.
Okay. So here you have to just open your Google page, and here you have to type Shodh Ganga, right? And the very first search is about the, I mean, this the
Punita, sorry to intervene, some background voice is coming.
homepage of, I mean, this is the Shodh Ganga. You can write Shodh Ganga and you can directly access this Shodh Ganga. This is the home page of Shodh Ganga. ये आपका Shodh Ganga का पूरा ये है वेबसाइट है. There are different tabs are there like home, about us, search and browse, UGC notification, guide tutorials, download, login, etc. Fine. And I'm going to show you an overview of this interface. Just a minute. Yeah. Fine. So this is the interface of Shodh Ganga, and here this like about us. So here whatever I have mentioned in this Shodh Ganga, I mean in my slides, I have taken all the material from here only. Fine. ये आपकी शोध गंगा के बारे में सारी चीजें हैं. साथ में यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो वाई ज्वाइन शोध गंगा, क्यों आप मतलब ज्वाइन करना चाहिए आपको शोध गंगा, ये सारी चीजें हैं. सर्च एंड ब्राउज का आई विल डिस्कस इट लेटर ऑन, दैट इज द मेन पोर्शन. हियर द डिफरेंट यूजीसी नोटिफिकेशंस.
Punita Di, your voice is not coming.
Punita, are you there?
I think that there is any network issue, maybe.
Yes. Yes. Let me check with her. I'm calling her.
Okay, Di.
Or you may call her.
Okay, Di.
We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. She'll be joining.
There is some problem, network issue, वो hang कर रहा था. That was the reason she's joining within 2 minutes.
Okay, fine, no problem.
In between, I want to say something regarding my assignment. Should I?
Yes, go ahead.
Some of the students has asked me that they have started the procedure of registering themselves with the Enlist, and one of the student has replied me that today she got the notification, but she has already submitted yesterday the screenshot of that she has started the procedure. So for that purpose, I can change the settings so that if you have joined and you have registered in Enlist, so that you can submit your screenshot of that particular site where you have already registered. Okay, because some students are under procedure, so don't worry about it. If there is any technical fault, if you are trying for it, it's good. I will open that particular section of response and set it like that if you want to edit that particular section of response after getting the verification email, receiving the verification email from our college, then you can change it. I think Saloni and some other students have this query. Is it clear now? I will change the setting so that
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
you can
ma'am.
upload. Now you can upload your screenshot of that you have registered in Enlist. So the earlier will not be considered.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
One more thing I'd like to ask you all, that yesterday you got an assignment in which it was asked that you are expected to save content in Google Drive, and then to share the link of that Google Drive file in the assignment. Do you all know that process of saving it in the drive and taking the this thing link? If anyone has any problem in that, you can let us know, then we can help you out. जो असाइनमेंट कल आप लोगों को मिला था, उसमें से किसी बच्चे को दिक्कत तो नहीं है ना? और जब भी आप लिंक शेयर करेंगे, उस समय ये याद रखिएगा, वो लिंक को में एक्सेस टू ऑल कर दीजिएगा. अगर आप हमें एक्सेस नहीं देंगे तो हम वो कंटेंट देख नहीं पाएंगे. तो जब आप लेफ्ट क्लिक लेते हैं तो वो एक्सेस टू ऑल का लिंक जब आप क्लिक करेंगे तो वहां पर 2-3 ऑप्शन आते हैं. तो एक ऑप्शन आता है एनीवन ऑन इंटरनेट विद दिस लिंक. यू हैव टू टेक दैट लिंक, ओनली देन वी वुड बी एबल टू एक्सेस. For NDLI you have to submit the screenshot of the mail.
So for the असाइनमेंट, यस्टरडेज असाइनमेंट जो एनलिस्ट में रजिस्ट्रेशन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में था बेटा, तो उसमें हम लोग आज मैं उसमें सेटिंग चेंज कर दूंगी. आप लोग अगर जो रजिस्टर्ड कर रहे हैं, ऐसा भी कुछ लोगों ने सबमिट किया है, उसकी जगह आप एनलिस्ट में रजिस्टर्ड हो गए हैं तो उस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीनशॉट को भी आप सबमिट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं उसमें यू कैन एडिट या फिर यू कैन गिव अनदर रिस्पांस, इस तरह से एक सेटिंग में चेंज कर दूंगी, तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी. अगर आप प्रोसेस है, यस, मैं उसको अनदर रिस्पांस कर दूंगी ताकि आप लोगों को अगर इन बिटवीन मिल जाता है रिस्पांस कॉलेज से तो आप उसको भी अपलोड कर पाएंगे.
सीमा, you want to ask something?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. कल जो
Yes, go
PDF
ahead.
मैम जो कल PDF का लिंक शेयर करना था, उसको कॉपी कर फॉर्म में.
तुम ई ज्ञान कोश की बात कर रहे हो?
यस मैम.
रुक जाओ, वो
देखो ई ज्ञान को, यस
I think we can show her how to do. She may be having problem.
Okay, Di.
So give me 1 second. Manisha, you are showing,
Okay,
or
Di.
should I?
Sir, as you say, Di.
You can go ahead.
Okay.
मनीषा मैम भी आपको लोगों को बता देती है उन बच्चों के लिए जिनको दिक्कत हो रही है
ओके
कि किस तरीके से लिंक शेयर करना है.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Say, for example, you have a PDF downloaded. First of all, you go to your, I'm not again downloading the PDF, just you go to your mail. You can sign in your mail. When you will sign in your mail, go to this link of Google Apps. There are 9 dots visible at the top right. Go there. So many there are some options. You have to go to this drive section. Select this particular drive section. When you will go there, first of all, the particular PDF which you have saved in your desktop, that you have downloaded from the eGyan Kosh, that you have to save in your drive. So you click on this new file upload. Just click on this file upload. File upload पर click करेंगे तो it will ask you that from which file you are going to. So you just select the desktop. Say for example, I have selected this approaches file. I have opened it. Then it will start uploading in my Google Drive. This file have been uploaded. So this file is already uploaded and it's visible clearly. Now the next step which I will do, that I will select that particular file. And after selecting that particular file, I will send its a link. It's a link with you in that particular site. Just a minute. When you will right click it, get link. Click on this get link. Copy link. When you will copy this link, here restricted, you must click on it and make it anyone with the link. You take this one. When you will change this option, restricted रहेगा तो हम लोग उस तक नहीं जा पाएंगे. जब आप anyone with the link को क्लिक करेंगे, ये जरूर करिएगा, तभी हम आपकी फाइल को व्यू कर पाएंगे. उसके बाद आप इसको डन करिए. गेट द लिंक. लिंक को कॉपी करने के बाद कॉपी लिंक, और लिंक को कॉपी हो जाने के बाद जो वो पर्टिकुलर फाइल होगा, सपोज हम यहाँ पर आपको एक दूसरे फाइल में आपको दिखा देते हैं. से फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस गूगल डॉक्स, उस पर्टिकुलर फाइल में आप जाएंगे जो आपको गूगल डॉक्स के थ्रू आपको क्वेश्चनर पूछा गया है. उसमें जाके आप गूगल फॉर्म में आप जाएंगे. गूगल फॉर्म में जाकर आपको उस जो आपका आंसर का पार्ट है उसमें जाके आपको ये पेस्ट कर देना है. मैं एक ब्लैंक में ही आपको पेस्ट करके दिखा रही हूँ. से फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें वो क्वेश्चन था और क्वेश्चन में आपका आंसर का जो सेक्शन होगा वो शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप होगा. इसमें जाके आप इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में, क्योंकि अभी हम क्वेश्चन फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें आप जाके जब पेस्ट करना चाहेंगे तो वो पेस्ट हो जाएगा आपका यहाँ पर। ओके, जब ये क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में सेट है आपका, यहाँ जाकर आप पेस्ट करेंगे तो वो पर्टिकुलर लिंक जो है वो पेस्ट हो जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर?
यस मैम।
किसी को कोई और डाउट? ओके,
So now
Ma'am.
Punita has joined Manisha. Yes.
यस
Ma'am, in my phone, I don't have laptop. I'm doing through phone.
Mayuri, Punita ma'am has joined. So I think we'll start the session. And after the session, in the last 15 minutes, we'll take all the problems. Fine, because Punita ma'am has already joined, so we can continue
ma'am,
the
okay.
session. Okay. Punita, you may continue, please.
So sorry, the and participants for
No.
the
We all
interruption.
understand this network issue. We all understand.
My laptop has hanged, इसलिए वो फिर दूसरे laptop
Yes.
से मैंने login किया था. Sorry थी.
No. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Thi. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible, Punita.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. As I have already mentioned that this is the homepage of Shodh Ganga, and here I have also shown an overview of the whole page. Fine. Yeah, fine. So this is the yeah. I was talking about this UGC notification. There are several UGC notifications which are related to this MPhil and PhD. If you people want to, I mean, especially the PhD scholar want to explore, they can get it from here. Along with that, there is another tab that is the guide and tutorials. And here, like the important portion, which is, very much important for the researcher, the PhD scholar, that is how to submit the thesis, how to convert your thesis in a PDF format, how to cite. Citation is also very important. Then thesis template, everything is available here. Like if you want to like how to submit, like I have clicked this portion. So here it is clearly mentioned that how a researcher can submit their thesis in the Shodh Ganga repository. Here the different steps are mentioned about the registration, validation of account, submission of content, metadata by the registered users, etc. Fine. Now we can see that around 3,23,650 theses are now available in the Shodh Ganga. अभी आपके करीब 3,30,650 जो है वो thesis available है. Along with that, 8,258 synopses are available, and major research project and PDF and fellowship reports are around 42, which is further categorized into the 18, 19, and 5 respectively. That is the MRPs, PDFs, and fellowships report. Fine. Here, another tab which is blinking here, that is about the scrolling down, the latest information or updates related to Shodh Ganga. Some of the videos of Shodh Ganga are present here, and some of the photos are also available at this in this tab.
And here in the next portion we can see the top 10 universities who have contributed in Shodh Ganga. And the top university of the first number there is University of Madras, जहाँ से करीब आपका 12,772 जो थीसिस है वो आपका अपलोड हुआ है शोध गंगा पे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सावित्रीबाई फुले यूनिवर्सिटी, पूर्वांचल यूनिवर्सिटी दैट इज फ्रॉम यूपी. तो इतने सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज जो हैं वो आपके टॉप 10 कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं शोध गंगा में. Right. Now we will come to the main portion, that is the search bar. तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर तीन तरह से सर्च हम कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट सर्च, देन गूगल सर्च, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इज द एडवांस सर्च. So first of all I'll show you all how to do the subject search. Yeah. This is the this is the tool, and here we can see the universities category. Fine. Around 41 सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज जो कि इतने सारे थीसिस किए हैं, फिर 164 यूनिवर्सिटीज इतने. तो ये सारे प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी, डीम यूनिवर्सिटीज, सबका यहाँ पर डेटा अवेलेबल है. यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट वाइज अगर हम देखें तो लाइक पॉलिटिकल साइंस को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिया. और यहाँ पर पॉलिटिकल साइंस में आपके डिफरेंट जो आपके डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, लाइक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस एंड पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, इसको हमने ले लिया. तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे जो ये थीसिस हैं वो हमारे यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं. ठीक है. जैसे लाइक प्राइमरी एजुकेशनल सिस्टम इन आंध्र प्रदेश विद रेफरेंस टू चित्तूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टडी that was completed in the year 2014. It was by the University Sri Venkateshwaraya University. ठीक है. अगर आप पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी का देखना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, तो लाइक BHU is here. BHU is not here. So Hari Singh Gaur University विश्वविद्यालय, उसका अगर हम देखना चाहें तो यहाँ पर उससे रिलेटेड जितने भी थीसिस है वो जो कि सारे के सारे थीसिस जो है, तो आप अगर पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी वाइज भी अगर आप उस चाहें तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं. किसी पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी के अगर आप वहाँ पर थीसिस देखना चाहते हैं पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट के अंतर्गत, तो वो आपको यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा. ठीक है. लाइक यहाँ पर हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल है, भारतीय राजनीति में नक्सलवाद का बढ़ता प्रभाव. आई विल शो यू हाउ यू पीपल कैन सी द थीसिस हियर. So this interface will come here. All the informations regarding that thesis is here, like title of thesis, name of researcher Parthe Gauri Singh, name of the guide Dr. Anupma Yadav, completed year, name of the department, name of the university, etc. यहाँ पर हम देखें तो ये पूरा का पूरा जो फॉर्मेट मैंने बताया था कि बिल्कुल एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट में ही होना चाहिए तभी वो अपलोड होगा. तो ये पूरा का पूरा फॉर्मेट बना हुआ है जिसमें टाइटल, पेज, डिक्लेरेशन, सर्टिफिकेट, एक्नॉलेजमेंट, प्रेफेस, कंटेंट एंड देन द चैप्टर्स. वो आपके इस तरीके से ही होना चाहिए. हियर आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू ऑल लाइक फर्स्ट चैप्टर. हियर आई ओपन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर हियर. ये आपका रहा फर्स्ट चैप्टर. ठीक है. ये आपका पूरा PDF फॉर्म में खुल गया. इसको अगर आप चाहें तो यहाँ से आप डाउनलोड बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो यू पीपल कैन डाउनलोड इट. इफ यू पीपल वांट टू टेक डायरेक्टली, यू वांट टू टेक द प्रिंट आउट, तो आपको ये प्रिंटर बटन अगर आप उसको करेंगे तो वहां पर प्रिंट आउट का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा जहां से आप उसको प्रिंट आउट उसका ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो ये आपका जो है वो इस तरीके से ये चीज जो शोध गंगा का है वो है. ठीक है. फिर डिफरेंट बहुत सारे पेजेस एक्चुअली खुल जाते हैं इसमें. if you want to see in public administration department, तो यहाँ पर भी आप किसी पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर सारा जो भी थीसिस है वो आपको वहाँ पर जो हुआ है वो आपको यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा। और ये डिफरेंट पेजेस हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मतलब कुछ जितने भी हैं वो आपके नेक्स्ट करके आप उसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। Here this is the language list. It is also here कि कितने languages में आपके available हैं। Like regional language में अगर जैसे हिंदी में देखें तो इसमें करीब आपके 11,374 जो आपके thesis हैं वो आपका available है। इसमें mainly जो है वो आपके हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट के ही हैं। ठीक है, लैंग्वेज का मतलब ये नहीं कि हिंदी मीडियम, यहाँ पर हिंदी जो डिपार्टमेंट है उसके भी आपके जो ये हैं थीसिस हैं वो आपके अवेलेबल हैं। So that is about the subject search. Now we will do the advanced search. Subject search is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the advanced search, which is very important because here through that we can see we can refine our search. वहाँ पर तो था कि एक नॉर्मल हम लोग को पूरा का पूरा मिल रहा था, वहाँ पर हमको खुद से देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम पर्टिकुलर जो चाहते हैं वो हमको यहाँ पर सर्च का जो है वो 2 तरीके से ऑप्शन है। Here you can search through all of शोध गंगा, all the universities those who have contributed in this शोध गंगा, तो उसमें से वो आपका जो सर्च है वो रिफाइन होगा। या फिर you can choose any of the university, like here Banaras Hindu University is here like this, तो you can जैसे like यहाँ पर मैंने इसको सेलेक्ट कर लिया, फिर यहाँ पे मैंने like गांधी, and you have to go through this go button. अगर आप start a new search कर देंगे तो फिर ये आपका फिर से blank हो जाएगा और आप उसको फिर से आपको मतलब वहाँ पर फिर 0 रिजल्ट शो करेगा। And here we can see the different theses done on this topic of Gandhi. गांधी के ऊपर जो भी thesis है वो आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा। Fine. Now, if you want to refine your search, you want some particular, topic related to Gandhi, like तो उसको हम यहाँ पर add filter करेंगे। यहाँ पर like जैसे like कोई keyword, ठीक है, contains like Gram Swaraj. We have to add it here. Can do this keyword here with peace. Actually, it's fine. Like you can choose some other topic, like any of you can suggest.
John Rawls theory.
Okay, John Rawls. What is happening today with me, God knows.
Sunita,
Like,
maybe in
just-
case of keyword, you can select the title in current filters.
Okay.
That will help you. Just use title, maybe
Okay.
that will help you to get some results.
Okay, fine. Thank you. And here we can add this justice. Yeah. So here, these are the results. Fine. Here we can pick the very first that was uploaded on 2018, and here we can, yeah. Yeah, this is the, citation details. If you want to cite the, this thesis, so here you can get the details, and here the citation link. So this is one more thing is that if you want to save the URL, so if you want to go directly through this, to this, you want to access this thesis, so you have to just go through this link. अगर आप इसके थ्रू भी जाना चाहें तो आप डायरेक्टली आप पूरा जो सर्च और बाकी चीजें जो है उसको स्किप करके आप सीधे जो है वो आप उस पे इस थीसिस पर पहुंच सकते हैं. फाइन. Now we can here I will open this contents. And here the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, human rights as an embodiment of social justice, fifth chapter, and conclusion and bibliography. So here this is all about the contents. Here if you want to add some keyword, or if you want to add some date completed. Not here, no, not here. Like here, date completed, yes. 2012. And I have added it here. So we can get these theses. So here you can refine your search through the filter. Filter के through जो है आप अपने जो भी आप सर्च कर रहे हैं उसको आप रिफाइन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे जैसे कि जॉन रॉल्स है, फिर उसमें हमने टाइटल ऐड किया जस्टिस, और फिर हमने उसको और रिफाइन किया कि जो भी किसी से वो 2012 ऑनवर्ड्स या 2012 का है तो वो सारा का सारा जो है वो सर्च होके वो यहाँ पर शो कर रहा है. These are the 5 results in which, and here this upload date is here 2013. If you will, I will open any of the thesis like 2014 restorative justice from technology. So that was, yeah, it was completed in 2012. Perhaps it was uploaded in 2014, लेकिन ये जो completion, तो ये जो लिया है वो completion year के according लिया है. ठीक है ना, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर शो कर रहा है 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. तो it was the upload date, लेकिन वो जो लिया है तो यहाँ पर जो उसका सर्च है वो बिल्कुल पर्टिकुलर है कि वो 2012 की ही थीसिस को यहाँ पर लिया है. Along with that we can see कि whatever the keywords, if you want to take any of the keyword from here, and these keywords mean you can get in this thesis, कि जो भी thesis है वो इधर से भी जो मतलब शोध गंगा का अपना जो वेबसाइट है वो भी ये शो कर रहे हैं कि कौन कौन से जो कीवर्ड्स हैं वो हमको वहां पर थीसिस में मिल सकते हैं. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग भी अगर आप चाहें तो पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग भी हम उस चीज को जो है वो सर्च कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना. तो दिस इज अबाउट दी हाउ टू सर्च योर यू कैन सर्च योर थीसिस इन द शोध गंगा. डू हैव एनी डाउट or any query?
If anyone has any doubts, you can raise your question. Otherwise, ma'am will go ahead.
Nodi, you can continue. They have posted no.
They are writing. They
There
are
is no
writing.
doubt.
No doubt.
Okay, fine. ठीक. Then I'll show you how to search the thesis on, synopsis on Shodh Gangotri. this is the, government website address is shodhgangotri.inflippnet.ac.in, or you can directly access through putting this Shodh Gangotri in the Google toolbar. System is taking some time. Yeah, this is the interface of Shodh Gangotri. This is basically the repository of synopsis. And as I mentioned in the Shodh Ganga, that was the repository of thesis and dissertation, whereas this Shodh Gangotri is the repository of synopsis. Fine. And here, this is the web page, and I'm scrolling down to give the overview as I have given in the Shodh Ganga 2. And here we can see in the left panel, there is the search option. Direct links are there. So that you can search like university department, issue date, researcher guide, title, keywords, universities, etc. In the central panel, we can see about Shodh Gangotri. And again, here we can see the search is also here. Fine. And the right panel, we can see the UGC notifications and other things, which are, quite relevant in the context of the Shodh Gangotri. I'll show you how to search your synopsis here. Like here, yes, like this is the search. Right? Here, like I have, I'll type you like feminism. Yeah, this is the results, and here we can see that the as results are displayed 10 per page. 10 results are there, and it is being sorted out by the relevance and in a descending order. Fine. Like here, I'll open the this Virginia would be. Here you can get the synopsis. Like I'll show you the, like if you want to see the literature review. Yeah, this is the review of literature here. This is the procedure how to do the review of literature, and this is presented by the researcher. And the procedure is same as I mentioned in the Shodh Ganga, how to save and to take the printout. यहाँ से आप save कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से आप printout जो है वो ले सकते हैं. Now I'll show you the advanced search. How to do the advanced search. यहाँ पर दो तरीके से सर्च है, एक एडवांस सर्च है और एक नॉर्मल सर्च है. यहाँ पर जैसे कि लाइक पॉलिटिकल पार्टिसिपेशन, आई मेंशन दिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टिसिपेशन. Political participation, and I add the keyword like women. Yeah, you can. I have results are showing here, like women empowerment through participation in Gram Panchayats of Kandla Taluka district, Satara, Maharashtra. Or critical. Second one is the critical study of political participation of women in Panchayati Raj, a case study of Jalna district in Maharashtra. Gender discrimination and government initiatives for women empowerment in India. I'm going to show you all this. Here all the details related to that, synopsis is here, like title, keyword, researcher, guide, registration, date, abstract, language, and from which department. It is all mentioned here. यहाँ पे सारा चीज है. और यहाँ भी सिनॉप्सिस जैसे शोध गंगा में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि वो डिफरेंट उसमें था, जैसे कि सर्टिफिकेट था, कंटेंट था एंड ऑल. तो उसी तरीके से यहाँ पर भी टाइटल, इंट्रोडक्शन, रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर, ऑब्जेक्टिव, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में ये भी आपका जो है वो डिवाइडेड है. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू सी द मेथोडोलॉजी एंड वर्क प्लान, दैट इज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी. Here we can see the methodology. What is the methodology researchers have adopted? Primary data collection, secondary data collection, what is the scope, and what is the work plan, the chapter plan, what is the chapter has been divided, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and later on it was chapter 4, 5 and 6. If you want to refine your search more, then we can do one more thing. Yeah. Another keyword, if you want to mention, like in present scenario. Present view. See, what is happening? Here we can see the, जो यहाँ पर शॉर्ट आउट किए हैं उसमें जो है वो प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो आपका जो है सिनॉप्सिस है वहाँ पर आएगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो टू द सेकंड पेज, तो आप सेकंड, थर्ड जो भी है, तो यहाँ से आप उसमें जाकर देख सकते हैं.
Punita?
Yes, Dil?
Try to wind up this one because I think Swayam will take a lot of time. Na?
Okay.
If you have to, if you want to show something more, some filters or something like that, and then we can start.
After this, I'll close. एक बार ये open हो जाए then.
Fine. Because Swayam will take time, I think.
Okay. Thank you. फिर पीछे पूरा चला. तो इस तरह से सेकंड पेज खुल गया. तो इफ यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर, यू पीपल कैन एक्सप्लोर थ्रू दिस एडवांस सर्च. और एडवांस सर्च का सबसे बड़ा फायदा यही है कि वो आपके जो सर्च है, जो भी आप चीज खोजना चाहते हैं, जो भी आप टॉपिक खोजना चाहते हैं, उसको और ज्यादा आप रिफाइन कर सकते हैं थ्रू दी एडवांस सर्च आफ्टर पुटिंग दिस रेलेवेंस, आफ्टर पुटिंग दिस टाइटल, कीवर्ड, सब्जेक्ट एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द शोध गंगोत्री. डू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन और query regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute now. I have shared my Swayam PPT through this Google Drive in this laptop.
Okay, no problem. You take your time. So meanwhile, one thing which is very important, if you have seen when Punita ma'am was demonstrating, that suppose one thing is that you can go on the site and you can search about different different topics or the works have been done. But one very interesting thing is also you can search the one of the browser was one, the browsing option was the research guide. Because after a master's, when you are applying for PhD, so you obviously need to know that what is the specialization of the guide. According to that, you can decide under whom you need to work. Because maybe if you are a student of international relations, so it would be good for you if you will do PhD under someone who has a specialization in international relations. If you are a student of political theory or thought, then you can know that someone who has a specialization in political thought and theory. So if you will browse by that research guide option, then you will be able to know that the particular research guide, what has been the trend of research under that particular teacher. किस तरह के शोध उस पर्टिकुलर जो रिसर्च गाइड है उनके अंडर में हो रहे हैं, वो आपको बहुत मदद करता है ये डिसाइड करने में कि आपको पीएचडी किसके साथ करनी चाहिए, करनी है। क्योंकि जिसका जब भी आप पीएचडी करना चाहते हैं तो आप ऑब्वियसली उसी गाइड के अंदर जो आपका विषय आप चाहते हैं उस स्पेशलाइजेशन को देखना चाहते हैं, तो वो रिसर्च गाइड का ऑप्शन उस दृष्टि से बहुत अधिक इम्पोर्टेंट है। उसी तरीके से जो डेट का ऑप्शन मैम ने बताया कि अभी रिसेंट ट्रेंड्स क्या है, so this way if you will explore more and more, you will get a lot of content on that.
Yes, now I can share my.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Di. Thank you, Dr. Punita Di, for discussing about Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. Now I again welcome Di to discuss about Swayam.
Fine, thank you. My screen is visible, Manisha? I mean,
Yes, Di, it's visible.
Thank you. Sorry for you all. I'm feeling very sorry because my first, it was like disturbed because of
No,
this.
Didi, it's all a technical issue. We can't do anything about it.
Yeah, that's why I was, anyways. The second one is about the Swayam, and here, first of all, I would like to mention about briefly. I would like to mention about this MOOC. MOOC is what? That is the massive open online course, and it is a free web-based distance learning program that is designed for the participation of large number of geographically dispersed students. I mean, geographically dispersed. Like presently, we all are connected to this laptop, but we all are geographically dispersed. I mean, we all are not sitting under one roof like in our college premises and all. So it was like that, this, MOOC. And here, this Swayam is an integrated MOOC platform for distance education or distance learning that is basically aimed at offering all the courses from school level to PG level. When I will show you when I will demonstrate you all this Swayam website, then I will mention that how people can get enrolled themselves in this. I mean, students can get enrolled themselves in the courses offered by Swayam. And as I mentioned that school level, so it means कि वहाँ पर जो है वो क्लास 9 से लेकर पीजी लेवल, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लेवल के जो कोर्सेज है वो वहाँ पर अवेलेबल जो है वहाँ पर है. And now just this is the symbol of this Swayam, that is about the free online education, and the tagline of this Swayam is what? That is the Shikshit Bharat, Unnat Bharat. What is this? This is Shikshit Bharat, Unnat Bharat. That is the tagline of Swayam. Fine. And this Swayam program was basically initiated by the government of India, and it was designed to basically achieve the 3 cardinal principles of the education policy. That was what? Access, equity and quality. In the next slide, I will discuss this, that what is the access, equity and quality, and what is the objective of this Swayam. The objective of this Swayam was it was a kind of effort to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. Disadvantaged means those who are unable to afford the fee structure of higher education and all. And especially we have one वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन हियर कि ये जो सारी चीजें हैं अभी तक तो मतलब इनिशिएटिव तो पहले से लिया गया, लेकिन उसका जो इम्पोर्टेंस है, उसका जो एक रेलिवेंस है वो हमको तब पता चला, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड पीरियड. एंड लास्ट ईयर नोटिफिकेशन केम फ्रॉम यूजीसी टू ट्रांसफर द क्रेडिट्स ऑफ स्वयं कोर्सेज टू मेन कोर्सेज. जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी में जो कोर्सेज होते हैं तो उस तरीके से जो क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर का भी जो आपका ये जो नोटिफिकेशन है, एंड थ्रू दिस वी कैन सी कि ये कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. मतलब स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस COVID period we got to know the importance of these courses. Here we can see Swayam courses are basically seeks to bridge the digital gap for students who have hitherto remained untouched by the digital revolution and have not been able to join the mainstream of the knowledge economy. जो presently हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं अभी जो एजुकेशन का जो पूरा जो एक ये पूरा चेंज हो गया है, तो उसमें जो एक किस तरीके का जो सिचुएशन है उसमें सभी तरह के लोगों को सभी तरह के स्टूडेंट्स को इसके साथ जो जोड़ना और जो एक डिजिटल डिवाइड है बिटवीन the students those who are in the mainstream और जो कि बड़े-बड़े शहरों में या फिर बड़े यूनिवर्सिटीज में, अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज में वहाँ पे, और जो कि बिल्कुल विलेज एरिया और उस तरह के, तो उनके बीच में जो डिजिटल डिवाइड है उसको भी ये करना जो है इसका मेन उद्देश्य था. Now, as I said that I'll discuss this cardinal principles of this education, that was about the accessibility, equity and quality. So here we can see the accessibility, that is what, that anybody can access the courses of Swayam. Fine, anybody can access the courses of Swayam. वो कोई भी मतलब वो चाहे आप मतलब आप along with if you are already enrolled in any university course, formally you are enrolled in any university course, but apart from that if you want to do some diploma course, certificate course of your own choice, or it is related to like earlier I was enrolled in a हालांकि I was not able to complete that course, I was enrolled in any one of the courses, online course. तो उसमें क्या है कि मैं बाकी चीजों के साथ भी उस चीज को हम जो है वो कर सकते हैं. तो दैट इज अबाउट दी accessibility, कोई भी उस चीज को जो है वो एक्सेस कर सकता है. What about the this equity? That is about that it is open for all. It is not like कि ये particular किसी उसके लिए. That is about the fair and impartial process of this Swayam programs. And what about this quality? Quality is about, just to I will mention it in the next slides. I will show you all that. Just to ensure the quality of this courses offered by Swayam, there are 9 coordinators all over from appointed from all over the India. पूरे भारत से करीब 9 coordinators जो है वो आपके just to assure the quality of the apart from that I'll also show you all कि किस तरीके से जो different universities के professors, associate professors जो है उनका जो ये है मतलब contribution है जो भी आपकी reading study material है उसमें उनका आता है. Now we will see that this Swayam platform is basically developed by the MHRD, Ministry of Government of India, and with the collaboration of NPTEL, IIT Madras, and the Google Inc. and Persistent Systems Limited. This is the acronym. Swayam is what? That is the acronym, and it is the means of this. Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. So SWAYAM, that is the acronym. और इसका जो ये है वो आपका क्या है? Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. Now, this Swayam courses जो है, that is the part of this the free online education, and also to provide an integrated platform and portal for online courses through this information communication technology. Means वहाँ पर आपको physically जो physical presence है वो वहाँ पर नहीं चाहिए, बल्कि आप जो है वो online platform के through आप उसमें जो है वो जुड़ सकते हैं. And the Swayam courses as a part of this MOOC was basically launched on 9th of July 2017 by late Shri Pranav Mukherjee, former president of India. उन्होंने इसको जो है वो शुरुआत किया था. दूसरी चीज क्या है कि हाउ कैन वी कैन एक्सेस दिस स्वयं, वी कैन एक्सेस दिस स्वयं बोथ थ्रू द लैपटॉप और मोबाइल। मोबाइल पे भी आपका स्वयं ऐप होता है, एज आई मीन सम ऑफ द लिमिटेशंस आर आल्सो देयर व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग these apps through the mobile phone, लेकिन as दीदी mentioned yesterday कि we can, I mean हम लोग थोड़ा उससे सहूलियत मिल सकता है अगर we will switch over to the desktop view। अगर उसको हम करेंगे तो हमको कुछ options जो है वो वहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे। Along with that, we can see the high quality learning, monitoring and certification is there. There is also possibility to clarify your doubts. It is not like that it is like one way कि जो भी चीजें हैं वो आपको सामने सामने से दिख रही हैं, वहां पर आप कोई like there is no I mean scope of like discussion, or there is no scope to clarify your doubts. Some provision is there which I will discuss later on. Along with that, we can see the hybrid models. What about this hybrid models? There are different types of like I mean like resources are being used in this I mean स्वयं कोर्सेज, बहुत सारे आपके पीपीटीज होंगे, कुछ वीडियोस होंगे, तो ये सारी चीजें। along with that we can see कि if you want to I mean you want to take a certificate, so you have to appear in the exam, और उसका जो एग्जाम है वो आपका, अगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए और उसका जो एग्जाम है वो आपको फिजिकली प्रेजेंट होकर किसी भी जो I mean जो भी आपको सेंटर दिया जाएगा वहां पर जाकर आपको जो है वो एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा। एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन I mean आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दैट एग्जाम, नॉट ओनली कि आपको अपीयर होना पड़ेगा, आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दैट एग्जाम you can get the certificate. That's why it is about the hybrid models, I mean this SWAYAM courses. Along with that, as I mentioned, that courses available here at this SWAYAM platform, courses available from class 9 to post graduation। class 9 जो कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के आपके उससे स्टार्ट हो जाता है, और पीजी लेवल तक के बहुत सारे कोर्सेज जो है वो वहाँ पर अवेलेबल है। प्लस जो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि like there is only one I mean agency or one like coordinator which is I mean like managing and seeing all the things of like class 9 एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन टू। सबका अलग अलग है, ठीक है ना, स्कूल सिस्टम का अलग है, यूजी लेवल का अलग है, टेक्निकल का अलग है, आई विल शो यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स, और आपका पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का अलग है। Here we can see like more than 1,000 specially chosen faculty and teachers from I mean across the country have participated in preparing these courses, and through that you can in the previous slides I have mentioned the quality। तो quality को assure करने के लिए जो है करीब 1,000 जो specially chosen faculty, it's not like randomly or like specially chosen faculty and teachers जो है जो इसको डिजाइन करते हैं, इसके कोर्सेज को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, और जो I mean हाई लेवल पर I mean होता है ना कि उसको कोऑर्डिनेट करने का काम, उन सारी चीजों को देखने का काम, तो there are around 9 coordinators across the country to see these things। And who are these 9 coordinators? These are the AICT, that is All India Council for Technical Education, then this NPTEL, that is the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning for Engineering, UGC, that is our University Grants Commission, CEC, that is Consortium for Educational Communication, जिसमें बहुत सारे वीडियोस और इस तरह के हमको मिल जाते हैं, NCERT, that is the National Council of Educational Research and Training, जो स्कूल लेवल का होता है, NIOS, that is the National Institute of Open Schooling, that is for school education, IGNOU, everybody know, I mean most of the people are aware about this, yesterday ma'am mentioned also, that is the eGyan Kosh, that is the in the context of eGyan Kosh, that is the IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, that is also a mode of I mean important mode for the distance learning। IIMB, that is the Indian Institute of Management, that is of Bangalore for management studies, and NIRRR, that is the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, and it was basically for the I mean especially जो B.Ed, M.Ed और education में होते हैं, तो that was for the teacher training program, that is this NIRRR। ठीक है, ये उनके सारे symbols हैं जो 9 coordinators हैं, which ensures the best quality content of these courses। यहाँ पर जैसे बता ही दिया, मैंने उसमें बताया था कि स्कूल एजुकेशन के लिए NIOS है और NCERT है, आउट ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन के लिए IGNOU एंड NITTR है, अंडर ग्रेजुएट लेवल के लिए NPTEL, AICT, CEC, IMB है, और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन जो लेवल है उसके लिए NPTEL, AICTE, IIMB एंड UGC। These are for right. Now I will mention you all that. I will discuss to you all that what are the pattern, what is the जो courses है उसको किस तरह से divide किया गया. तो जो courses को 4 उसमें divide किया गया है 4 quadrants में. पहला आपका quadrant 1 है, it contains the e-tutorials. जो e-tutorials है जिसमें आपके वीडियो लेक्चर्स आते हैं. फिर quadrant 2 है जो कि e-content, that is about the reading material और the PDF जो डाउनलोड करके हम भेजते हैं या प्रिंटेड जो है या फिर जो पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन है, all comes in this e-content. Quadrant 3 contains the assessment test. That is the most important aspect of this these courses, स्वयं courses, that is about the assessment test. Quadrant 3 में होता है, इसमें basically जो टेस्ट या quizzes के थ्रू जो है वो assessment होते हैं. And quadrant 4 is about the discussion forum. ठीक है ना? As I said there is scope to clarify your doubts. So that is through this quadrant 4. जहाँ पर discussion forum है, जहाँ पर आप directly you can clarify your doubts with your instructor, जो भी आपके instructor है, mentor है, particular course को जो चला रहे हैं उनसे, या फिर आपके जो ये है जो बैचमेट्स हैं, कोमैटमेट्स हैं, उनके साथ भी आप डिस्कशन फोरम पर डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, या कोई डाउट है या किसी तरह का आपको अपनी बात कहनी, तो यू पीपल कैन डू दिस थ्रू दिस डिस्कशन फोरम. Now, what about these courses? These courses are totally free of cost. ठीक है ना? Only for the certificate. Registration is to be done for protected exams with fee. As I mentioned in the previous slides too, that in the blended models मैंने mention किया था कि वहाँ पर अगर आप physically जाकर वहाँ exam देना चाहते हैं, certificate आपको चाहिए, तो for that purpose you have to submit the fee, and that is also very nominal, around 1,000, 2,000, जो कि बहुत ही nominal है. Everything is like totally free of cost. But if you want to take certificate of that particular course, तब आपको जाके जो है वो आपको particular fee जमा करना, which is very normal. And here exams के context में कि here you have to attend in person as designated centers on specified dates. जो भी particular जैसे examination date होता है, तो उसी तरह से वहाँ पर in person आपको present होकर जो है वो आपको exam में appear होना पड़ेगा. And here at the end of the course there will be assessment, which will be given according to the marks and grades will be based on your performance. And here learners will get certificates only if this assessment is up to the marks. That is around you have to obtain some particular. I'll show you in the demonstration. जब हम लोग एक course join करेंगे, then I will show you the different steps and all. तो उसमें है कि आप जब particular आपको जब grade मिलेगा तभी जाके जो है वो आपको certificate मिल सकता है. ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जैसे चाहें उस तरीके से मिलेगा. ठीक है ना? These are the partnering institute. 203 institutes are there who have been partnering with this SWAYAM courses. Around 4,024 completed courses are here. Students जो enrolled है वो काफी संख्या है उनकी. Around 18,47,424 students are enrolled in these courses offered by SWAYAM. Apart from that, exams registration जो है उनका भी एक अच्छा खासा number है, and successful certification. After clearing their exams, वो करीब आपके जो है वो 1,18,263 people जो हैं they obtain their certificate. वो अपने certificate को भी. Now quickly we will see that what are the benefits or the advantages of this SWAYAM courses. So here the best in classroom instructors. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो online है तो वहाँ पर like when I will show you the courses. So here you can see the different videos are there. जिसमें आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर जो होंगे वो आपको, तो बेसिकली इट इज एम्पावरिंग यू विद नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स. इट इज नॉट लाइक कि वन वे होगा या फिर बहुत ही उसमें क्वालिटी नहीं है, तो ऐसा नहीं. इट इज इन बेस्ट इन क्लास इंस्ट्रक्टर्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन सी देयर इज प्रोविजन ऑफ वीकली असाइनमेंट्स जस्ट टू एंश्योर योर प्रोग्रेस. Right, that what is your pattern of your progress, like what are you doing, like आपका जो assessment होगा, जो assignment दिया जाएगा, तो उसके बाद कम से कम पता चलेगा कि हाँ आप किस तरीके से जो है आप चीजों को जो है वो grasp कर रहे हैं. Along with that we can see there is provision of protract exams. ठीक है ना? Channelized through the all authorized partners. Local chapters are there. ठीक है ना? Which is connected to this national coordinators. तो उसके थ्रू जो protected exams होते हैं उसमें भी जो चीजें हैं तो वो एक क्वालिटेटिव है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बस कोर्स में एनरोल्ड हो गए और बाकी चीजें हो गई, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। फिर इसी क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर है, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग और एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम क्रेडिट्स कैन ऑल्सो बी ट्रांसफर्ड, ठीक है, मतलब इट इज अ लाइक ये कुछ नहीं कि डिग्री के फॉर्म में जो एक होता है ना कि आपको फाइनल रिजल्ट्स के फॉर्म में जो है आपको वो मिलता है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन सी दी लोकल चैप्टर्स, एज आई मेंशन द लोकल चैप्टर्स एंड दे आर एक्टिव लोकल चैप्टर्स, इट इज नॉट लाइक कि बस लोकल चैप्टर्स हैं तो बस हैं, उस तरह से नहीं है। दीज आर दी एक्टिव लोकल चैप्टर्स हियर in Banaras. The IIT is the local chapter of this, I mean SWAYAM courses, and it enhances the effectiveness of these MOOC courses. I mean that's why, because national coordinators are at the national level, लेकिन जो चीजें आपकी grassroots में चल रही हैं, local level पर चल रही हैं, regional level पर चल रही हैं, तो उनको सारा जो देखने समझने का काम है, उसको मैनेज करने का काम है, this is being done by these local chapters. Apart from that, we can see a kind of systematic approach is there in these SWAYAM courses, which enables you towards your desired learning goals. है ना, systematic. जब मैंने आपको quadrants दिखाए कि 4 quadrants में divided है, तो it has been designed in a systematic way. It was not like just to enable you in your desired learning goals. जिस भी उद्देश्य से आप उस कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको इनेबल करना, उसमें सक्षम बनाना जो है वो पॉसिबल हो पाता है, बिकॉज ये सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच अपनाता है। तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट दिस theoretical, I mean, explanation of this this SWAYAM course. Is it okay? Yes, Seema.
Ma'am, what is
Yes. हाँ बोलिए सीमा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Ma'am, what is the tagline of SWAYAM?
शिक्षित भारत उन्नत भारत।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other question or query?
If anyone wants to know something about registration or something like that, you can ask ma'am.
So can I demonstrate the, I mean,
Yes,
the
yes,
SWAYAM
yes.
course? Okay.
Yes.
Here I'm going to type this SWAYAM. यहाँ पर ये जो है उसका ऑफिशियल एड्रेस है swayam.gov.in, और हम चाहें तो गूगल से भी डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर स्वयं टाइप करके उस पर जा सकते हैं। दैट इज द होम पेज, या दिस इज द स्वयं, ठीक है ना। ये स्वयं का आपका इंटरफेस है, वेबसाइट पे है, ठीक है। I have taken all these things in my have shown in my PPT. This is an overview of the whole interface of this SWAYAM. Now, first of all, I'll mention you about I'll discuss about the sign in or register. If you want to enroll yourself in any of the courses offered by SWAYAM, so firstly you have to register yourself. आपको उसमें registration कराना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो आपको registration साइन इन करेंगे तो आपको इस तरह का इंटरफेस खुलकर आएगा, और यहाँ पर either you can make directly your username and password, or you can go through these two like Microsoft account, Google account और Facebook account. I have gone through this Google account. मैंने मेरा Google account इस पे बना हुआ है, तो मैं Google account के थ्रू जाऊंगी, और I can also show the sign up now. Yeah. अगर जो लोग जैसे बिल्कुल नए हैं, क्योंकि मेरा तो बना हुआ है, तो I'll go through that गूगल अकाउंट, लेकिन इस तरह का इंटरफेस आएगा, ठीक है, जिसमें आपको यूजर नेम, पासवर्ड, फिर कंफर्म द पासवर्ड, फिर ईमेल एड्रेस, एज दीदी मेंशन सेवरल टाइम्स दैट डे व्हेन दीदी वाज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस ईपीजी पाठशाला एंड दिस एनडीएलआई, कि अपना ईमेल जो एड्रेस दीजिएगा वो बिल्कुल मतलब जिसको आप यूज करते हैं, जिसका पासवर्ड आपको पता है, और एक ही मतलब होता है ना, ताकि क्योंकि उस पर जो वेरिफिकेशन कोड भेजा जाएगा उसके थ्रू ही आप जो है वो रजिस्टर्ड हो पाएंगे। अदरवाइज वो अगर आपको ईमेल, आप उस ईमेल को एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आपका सारा जो आपने ये सारे स्टेप्स जो किए वो पूरा बेकार चला जाएगा, ठीक है। तो ये आपका, इज इट क्लियर? ये सारा जब आप भरेंगे तो आपके पर वेरिफिकेशन कोड जाएगा, फिर आप उसको जब यहाँ पर वेरीफाई करेंगे तो यू कैन क्रिएट योर अकाउंट ऑन दिस स्वयं प्लेटफॉर्म. इज ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as I said that I'll go through this Google. Yeah. ठीक है, तो ये आपका है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर before discussing the different courses, I would like to mention, like here you can you want to know about this स्वयं, तो यहाँ पर आपको about स्वयं जो है उसमें सारी चीजें आपको मिल जाएंगी. Most of the portions I have taken from here in my PPT. सारी चीजें हैं. Here you can see the all courses. Whatever the courses are being offered by this स्वयं, you can see here. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पर तो सर्च या एडवांस सर्च का ऑप्शन नहीं है उस तरह का, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि यू कैन लाइक इफ यू वांट टू एनरोल योरसेल्फ इन स्पेसिफिक कोर्स, सो और यहाँ पर सारे कोर्सेज हैं, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट द सुटेबल वन व्हिच इज सुटेबल फॉर यू. सो हियर व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन फिल्टर. तो यहाँ पर लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स लाइक दिस इग्नू, ठीक है ना, इग्नू को मैंने लिया. कोर्स ड्यूरेशन लाइक 16 वीक्स, ठीक है ना, और यहाँ पर तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं तो कुछ कोर्सेज जो हैं जो कि इग्नू ने स्पेसिफिक. हाँ, वन मोर थिंग इज हियर दैट देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्सेज विल ब्लिंक हियर. दैट वन इज दी लाइक दिस ऑनगोइंग, ठीक है ना. तो ऑनगोइंग कोर्सेज जो है वो आपको शो नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पर जब हम क्लिक करेंगे तो वहाँ पर कुछ भी जो है वो आपका आएगा नहीं, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी बिन जो है वो एनरोलमेंट क्लोज्ड है, तो इस वजह से वो शो नहीं करेगा. ठीक है ना. दूसरा जो है वो आपका होगा अपकमिंग, जो कि अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट हो गया, एनरोलमेंट इज ओपन, बट द कोर्स इज येट नॉट स्टार्टेड. सो हियर इट विल यहाँ पर जो है वो वहां पर सिर्फ आपके ऑनगोइंग जो अपकमिंग है वही जो है वो आपके शो करेंगे. ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पर लाइक लर्निंग एंड टीचिंग, ठीक है ना, उसके इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं डॉक्टर गौरव सिंह. फिर देन पेडागोजी ऑफ साइंस, देन रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी एंड स्टैटिस्टिकल, सोशल प्रोसेसेस, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग देखिए कुछ हम लोग के like gender sensitization, society and culture, it is important. One I've seen that. Teaching. Suggest me any of you, if you want to enroll yourself or you want to see any of the courses here, because इसमें तो सारे सब ऐसे ही हैं, कुछ मतलब पॉलिटिकल साइंस किस तरह का आ नहीं रहा है. दैट्स कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड पीस. यस, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड पीस. एंड व्हाट इसमें दिखा. So this is the interface in which we can see the overall information about that particular course offered by this Swayam, that is conflicts and peace global perspective, and the code is BTP -003, and it is the instructor is Dr. G. Uma, and she is from Indira Gandhi National Open University. And right now, how many drillers have been enrolled in it? That these are the 576. Fine. And here is the summary of this course. Like this course is ongoing. Course type is a core paper. Duration it is of 16 weeks. ठीक है ना. जो आपका स्टार्ट डेट है वो आपका 15 फरवरी 2021 है. एंड डेट अभी दिया नहीं गया है. एग्जाम डेट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड येट. एनरोलमेंट जो आपका क्लोज हो रहा है दैट इज ऑफ 30th of June 2021. And it is from humanities and social sciences. Credit points है आपके 4 and level है it is of undergraduate level. This course is being offered at the undergraduate level. Fine. Now we can see the course layout. Fine. The total syllabus of this course is being divided into several, into the 16 weeks. ठीक है ना, 16 वीक का है ये, तो आपका 16 हफ्तों में इसको जो है वो आपके डिवाइड किया गया है. Like the very first week is about the first unit, that is about the conflicts in international arena and overview. Then week 2, that is about the changing nature of international conflicts. And week 3 is about the from war to dialogue. That is about the conflict resolution, emerging approaches to conflict resolution. Week 4 is about the non-violent initiative in conflict resolution, and so and so. It is being divided into 6. Systematically, it is being divided into 16 weeks. Overall, the syllabus of this particular course. Here is the instructor bio note. ठीक है ना? It is about the Dr. G. Uma, and she is from where, what is her expertise, what is her, what is her future plan and all, or her specialization and all. Everything is mentioned here in her instructor bio note. जो bio note है उसमें सारी चीजें जो है वो briefly जो है वो सारी चीजें जो है वो mention की गई हैं. ठीक है? Just a minute. Yeah, so because this is an ongoing, so here we can choose a new course जो आपके उसमें हो. Infraction topics. Yeah. Same is here. What I discussed in the previous course, because that was already, उसका deadline जा चुका था. That's why there was no button like join का button नहीं था वहाँ पर. That's why I was unable to show you all कि how to join the program. तो इस वजह से मैं नहीं दिखा पाई. बाकी सारी चीजें जो I have discussed in the previous course वो आपकी as it is है. ठीक है ना? यहाँ पर एक वीडियो भी रहता है which I forgot to show you all. That is about the introduction of that particular course. Fine. Just showing you all this. Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, they
Okay. Yeah. So this is the, a kind of brief introduction to this course. Fine. And here we can see that around 546 learners has been enrolled. And now I will show you how to join the course. Fine. For this, you have to click on the join button. Then we can see that, here, like because I have already, उसमें ये था मेरा, registration है, इसलिए सारी चीजें already लिया हुआ है. ठीक है? Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, for that you have to click here in these two checkbox. I agree to SWAYAM terms of service and I agree to follow the honor code. उस पर अगर जब आप click करेंगे, then we have to review and join course. Yeah. तो इस तरीके से जो है वो अब इसमें मैं ज्वाइन कर लिया है मैंने. Thank you for registering for the course. Click the announcements tab for important information. Whenever I want to know about the important information and all, so I have to check the announcement section. ठीक है ना? So here you can see the different tabs are there. Like this is the title of that course. Here is the announcements. Here is about the course. Here you can ask the question. Here it is about your progress, and here it is about your mentor, आपके instructor के विषय में. ठीक है ना? Like here I'll click on this announcements. Because currently it is not, this is not, started this course. That's why there is no announcements. Once this will be started, then it will be, some of the announcements will be here. If you want to know about the course, Then same here, I mean as I have shown you in the previous one, यहाँ पर कुछ आपके अलग हैं, जैसे कि ये 12 weeks का है, इसका start date जो है वो 1 September 2021 है. Again same, it is of undergraduate level, इसके credit point भी same आपके 4 credit points के हैं, and it also belongs from the humanities and social sciences. Course layout is like this. I have shown in the previous course. And that is about the instructor bio note. That is Professor Satish Kumar, and he's also from IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Just a minute. Yeah, here you can see in the first week, they will cover the meaning and typology of peace. Then they will, again, they will continue this meaning and typology of peace. And then there will be a quiz, a part of this assessment, in which they will, give the questions from this unit, that is meaning and typologies of peace. Fine. And here in the 6th week, again, I'm just searching the, sources of conflict is exam procedure actually. About the course.
That detail you will find in the examination. That detail you will find about the course section.
The course section, okay. Then.
At the end of the detail of the course, they mention how the examination will be conducted.
Okay, about the course, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
Go down.
Oh yeah.
Generally they mention it here only.
Where it is?
Generally they mention here only. Let me check in my mobile also.
Okay, because when I have previously, when I was showing that time, I have discussed about the exam and all.
1 second, let me check it out in my mobile.
GP.
It is when we join the course, before that only, when we choose that option, go to course, in that section only it will be there. I mean, you go to course.
Okay, they go to course. Okay. Yeah.
Go
and
down.
Here in the last. Okay.
You just click the certificate.
Certificate, there is hand tool नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ.
Generally they keep it here only.
Yeah.
You can go back, Punita, once.
In the previous one.
Yes. Course type. Just go down the course type and course level they mention.
Yes. There are this.
No, it is not here. Where this course type and course level was mentioned, maybe you can get it there.
In this page?
No, not in this one. In the previous one, there was course type, level, and other things were there.
Okay.
Go down.
Yeah. Course type, course level.
Go down. Maybe
yes.
At the end bottom. Maybe. No, yes. It is not mentioned here. Generally, they keep it here only.
Yes, because generally they keep
in
the
most
information.
Of the courses, it is here only.
Yes. And last time I have shown this thing.
But in any case, they can get it. Whenever they join course, there will be an option for that.
Yes,
you are on the course outline, na?
Yes, the introduction to peace and conflict management, the course outline.
Once you can just click on progress. Maybe generally there is assessment.
Okay. Here it is assessment scores, then
Announcement.
announcement. Click here. Discussion forum if you want to.
No. In discussion forum, there will be different
Nay,
things.
yes. Manage course registration.
So maybe they have not uploaded about the examination yet.
Yes,
There may be a
yes.
possibility.
Yes,
It is course. It's this particular course.
yes. Can I do the same thing in other course?
Yes, you can try, and otherwise they can search in the course outline. You can try one more course maybe.
Okay.
It will take 4 to 5 minutes.
Here we can go through this. Yeah. Here here we can go in any of the course. People can suggest students. आप लोग क्या कुछ बताएंगे इसमें से कोई भी? Learning and teaching or Indian perspective on peace.
Yes, ma'am. You can go for this.
Before joining, Punita, before joining,
Yes, Dee.
go back, and
Yes, Dee.
go down. Go down in
Okay,
this one.
Dee. Okay, Dee. Again, here's the only Ministry of Education.
You join the course.
Okay, Dee.
One student is raising hand. Seemu, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, there is a box like it's written summary here, and they just give the information about the examination date there only. I mean, if it is not written there, then it means that they have not uploaded yet, or maybe they will
Yes,
decide
that is
later.
the thing. That is the thing.
They're not
Because
uploaded yet.
generally it remains there only after the summary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes they upload it later on.
Okay.
So, but if you will join the course, you will get all the updates.
Yes, ma'am. Through mail, we will get this.
Yes. So here it is. Yeah. We can try in this thing. After that, if it will not show there, then we will.
Okay.
पहले तो इसमें सबसे नीचे हम लोग देख लेते हैं.
Go down. Yes. That means they have not uploaded yet, Punita.
Yes, that's why it's not showing here.
Generally, in the course by NPTEL, they upload immediately.
Or even how they will conduct the exam, how much score they have. The student have to obtain, credit. After that, they will get the certificate. Everything mentioned in that, thing. But I think it is not, updated by this. That's why it's not mentioning. So, this is all about this Swayam. So, do you have any question or query? If I missed something, then you people can tell me.
In between, Divyanjali Verma has raised her hand. She has any question? I think Divyanjali doesn't have a question. Anybody else?
Any of you want to ask something?
If it is clear, then please write in the chat box that it is clear so that we can move ahead. Yes, it's clear to them, Punita.
Okay, dear. Fine.
Punita, you may stop sharing.
Okay, dear.
So, Manisha, you can.
So, on behalf of the Department of Political Science, I extend my sincere thanks because Dr. Punita Pathak has explained so well
regarding Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, both are very essential when during the first session. In session 6, when she was discussing Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, here I will like to mention that especially for our master level students, those who are willing to have opt the academic career after completing their masters, then you don't have to go to library, university library, to another university library. You will just go through browsing the research works which are available in the Shodh Ganga, and it is expected from you that you must add something new in the existing knowledge and fill that gap. And when you will search these theses in Shodh Ganga, so definitely you will know about the where is the gap is existing, and you can do your work as per the requirement. Similarly, Shodh Gangotri is very beneficial for those preparing for research proposal. So many students, they are after completing their masters, they uh, wish to prepare a research proposal for joining several courses. So it is like a guiding principle for our guiding platform for our students how to write literature review. You can understand by browsing the synopsis available here. And the SWAYAM is nowadays, it's very useful platform for continuous study and learning new things in a conducive manner. So I thank Punita Ji for such a knowledgeable sessions. And for the formal vote of thanks, I welcome Ms. Megha Jaiswal, student coordinator from BA third year, Department of Political Science, to deliver the formal vote of thanks. Yes, Megha.
Good evening, one and all. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. I, Megha Jaiswal from BA third year, considers it as a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the special workshop on e-resources and OER organized by the Department of Political Science, Vasanta College for Women, BHU. First of all, I would like to give special mention to our venerable principal ma'am, Ms. Alka Singh, for being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. With deep sense of appreciation, I thank our Department of Political Science for organizing such an amazing workshop where teachers are providing the step-by-step procedures for using the e-resources in a very friendly manner. For this, I would also like to thank the teachers, Ms. Preeti Singh ma'am, Ms. Manisha Mishra ma'am, and Ms. Punita Pathak ma'am for their uniting efforts. Dr. Seema Srivastav ma'am, the coordinator, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, and the student coordinators, Ms. Ritu Singh, Ms. Anamika Gupta, and Ms. Mayuri for acting as a bridge from the back. I would also like to thank the speakers from the bottom of my heart for providing such a large number of resources in the online platforms, medium, and study materials with the aim to minimize the gap between the less privileged and the more privileged students. Thank you, ma'am.